The wind side of the E6B helps determine how wind affects your flight path and speed. For this example, let's use the following inputs. Start with the center point on a whole number like 100 knots. Rotate the compass so 30 degrees is aligned with the true index. From the center, move upward 20 units and mark a dot. This dot represents the wind's direction and speed combined. Rotate the compass so 90 degrees is aligned with the true index. Slide the grid until the dot aligns with the true airspeed of 110 knots. Read the ground speed under the center, approximately 99 knots. Notice that the center point sits slightly below the true airspeed value of 110 knots. That tells you there is a headwind component reducing your ground speed. If the center point were above your true airspeed, that would indicate a tailwind, increasing your ground speed. Now look at where the dot sits relative to the center line. In this example, the dot is about 9 degrees to the left of center. That tells you the wind is pushing the aircraft to the right, of course. To correct for that, you need to turn left into the wind, so the wind correction angle is 9 degrees left. Apply that correction to your course. 90 degrees minus 9 degrees gives a heading of approximately 81 degrees.